Hello guys, welcome to Hedgehog Tech. Today I am not more happy than yesterday, so okay. In this video I'm going to show you how can you add that little letters or numbers um, under or above your letter. You know, we call them superscript or subscript. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, I'm opening Microsoft Word, a blank document in that, and here I can write an equation. Yeah. For example, I have variable A and variable B. Then I have a theoretical A and theoretical B. But to show the theoretical, I need to add a symbol like one, like AA, like A1. I need to add a symbol just under that. So to do that, I'm gonna go to ribbon, and in the ribbon there's a font tab. Under the font tab you can see many different things that works for just doing bold, italic, or underline it, or just strike through line. And next to that you can see subscript. Just click subscript, then write a number, you see, and again click subscript, write a letter. Again, next to the subscript, you can see the uh, superscript. It is also very easy. You can click the superscript like that. You will see. You see, this is the superscript. Thank you for watching this video. It's already longer than it should be, but YouTube, you know. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, you're an idiot. Goodbye.